Hi there, students. Sober. Sober, an adjective. Soberly, the adverb. Sobriety, the noun of the quality. And I guess even a phrasal verb to sober up. So, sober means not drunk. Yeah? Not intoxicated by alcohol. So, to sober up, to become sober. So he got drunk, very drunk last night, and it took him a long time to sober up, to become not drunk. Okay, so sober. I guess you could say that somebody who doesn't drink is sober. Yeah, he used to be an alcoholic, but he's been sober for the last 20 years. Okay, now we can use this more metaphorically. If somebody gives an opinion that is not exaggerated, it's not emotional, yeah, it's not silly. He gave a sober assessment of what was happening. So sober here, straightforward, serious, not passionate, self-controlled. He soberly explained the difficulties that he had been having, yeah, without becoming histrionic and sober, moderately, realistically. Give me a sober estimate of how much money you're going to need. Serious. You could describe a colour as sober. Yeah, so you can't go to a funeral in a pink suit. You've got to choose something that's a much more sober colour. Yeah, you should wear something much more sober, plain, not decorated. Yeah, so sober colours, not bright colours. Okay. A sober person, yeah, this is somebody who is serious in the things that they do, yeah. They're a moderate and realistic person. Maybe they're a bit subdued, a bit serious. Okay, so sober, not drunk, not affected by alcohol. He's been sober for 10 years. He hasn't drunk for 10 years. Okay, the birthday party was a very sober affair. Very serious and calm. He was in a very sober mood and he didn't laugh at all. You need to wear sober colours to a job interview, for example. To sober up, to stop being drunk. Okay, so it took him a while to sober up. Okay, so sober, a sober individual, sensible, solemn, a sober view on things. A muted colour, wear sober colours. Okay, so sober, unhurried, calm, relaxed, sedate, thinking about things. Somebody who's very serious, their character is serious. He's a very sober person. Yeah, he always does things slowly. He thinks about things. Yeah, without extreme qualities. Yeah, no flights of fancy or emotion. Yeah, just plainly being realistic. So if you're sober, you're not drunk. A sober person is thoughtful. They think about things. Be realistic and sober. Yeah, he was euphoric at the beginning, but now he has a more sober attitude towards it. Stockbrokers going to work in their sober pinstripe suits, to dress soberly, and then to sober up, to stop being drunk. So, sober. Let's see, sober up as a phrasal verb. I think maybe 4.5 in formality. Sober as an adjective. Sobriety. 5.5 in formality. Use anywhere. I think maybe the word sobriety is a touch more formal. The sobriety of his suit was unparalleled. Okay, as to origin, this comes from Latin sobrius, se meaning without, and ebrius, intoxicated. So without being intoxicated, not intoxicated. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sober.